Hi everyone, it's Sue here from the Indigo Blue design team. I thought today I'd make a quick Valentine's card. I'm going to be using this gorgeous bunny by Hue from the Bunny Rabbit stamp set. He's really sweet, isn't he? And I'm also going to be using a little butterfly and the Somebody Loves You sentiment stamp. So I'll put these by here. I have my rabbit and the other stamps all set up. So I'm just going to stamp these with some VersaFine Clair Nocturne. Not sure, my pad is quite juicy enough, so I might have to do this a couple of times. Right, let's have a look. Too bad, not too bad. I missed a bit of his ear and a bit on the bunny stamp. Okay. Excuse the noise of the plane. That's a massive aeroplane from the RAF from Bryce Norton that keeps coming over to Cardiff Airport and touches down on the runway and takes straight back off again. They've been doing that for months. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. Take that out of there. Right, and then I need a piece of paper. Cover it with some of the clear superfine embossing powder, which is fab. So do that. Nice to have a big pot, so you can shove it on over, all over. Right. That looks okay. So save this. Put it back in. Remember not to sneeze. The other thing I'm quite always doing is having a fan on when there's glitter around. Not a good thing. Not a good thing. Okay, so I get my heat tool. Right, okay, so now I've got my luscious and I'm going to colour this. I think I'm going to probably stick with pinks and reds since it's for Valentine's Day. Okay. Get some paint brushes. Okay, welcome back. Now that these have dried, I've fussy cut them out. So we'll put these to one side a minute. And I've got here a 8x8 or 20 by 20 centimeters card blank, where I've just cut off half the front cover. So I've then cut a piece of red card the same size as that, and I've cut out two hearts, one red and a slightly smaller white one. So these are going to go here like that. White on the front like that. Bunny can go here. Can't you? Yes, you can go over there, baby. And then butterfly here and sentiment here. Okay, okay. Okay, I've got some grab and go glue. So the first thing I need to do is to stick this piece of red card on. Make sure that covers every bit of white. A bit, come on, down a bit. That's just about. Okay. Next we have the first heart, the red heart. Which will go about there, so I only want to put it on one side. So I draw a quick line down the middle. I'll have some idea where not to put it. Right, so it goes on that way, so I want to glue this side. I think that looks about right. Don't worry about this, it'll dry clear. If I can get it off, I will. See, if you get a little paintbrush and a drop of water, you can get the glue off like that. Okay, I've got water everywhere. And we need the white heart, and again, oh no, I can do that. I can do all of that. See, you have to have a degree in physics to do card making. Put this down towards the bottom, I think. It's not white in the middle. Come on, over a bit. Oops. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Right, Bunny, when are we going to put you over there, is it? Yep, okay. Yep, about there. Sure it's straight. Yeah, that's okay, Bunny. first, I think I want to so we just go around the edges with some distress ink. I think it's black. I like that a bit better. So, tiny bit more of this, not too much like I've got. Okay, don't waste it. Get it the right way around. There I can just check if it's straight. Not bad, not bad. And last of all, this pretty little butterfly could go there. Okay, so there you go, that's the finished card. Hope you enjoyed that and join me again soon. Take care, bye.